So, Queen, what do you think? Is it true or false?
False.
I think it's false. Okay, so Queen is saying it's false. Now, Queen, why do you think it's false? Because there's more than 9. Very good. Okay, so Dustin, more than 9. Okay, so Dustin, do you agree with Queen?
Yes.
Yes. So, Dustin, what's the first thing that you did?
I counted.
He counted. Did you hear that? Dustin said he counted. So, how many did you count, Dustin?
11.
How many?
11.
11. Okay. And it looks like Queen is agreeing with you because she just put a smiley face. So she must have counted 11 as well. So if I'm going to count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So guess what, friends? Queen and Dustin were correct. There are 11 crayons here. So does this number here match this number here? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Does it match? We have Dustin saying no way. Elisa, Nassif. They're saying no way, it doesn't match. This one does not match this one. Therefore, our thing is false over here. Now I have another question for you. If I have 9 and I want to add on to eventually get to that number 11 over here, right? What number am I going to put inside this box here? I have a missing number, and I need to figure out what number am I going to put here to make this number sentence at least true here. Anybody know? Nassif, what do you think? Okay, so Nassif, what do you think? We have 9 plus what is going to give us 11? What do you think?
No.
Okay, so let's take a look here, buddy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to mark 9. I'm going to mark 9 of these crayons. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so how many do I have left here without any black dots on them? How many?
2.
2. So take a look at this. If we, oh, wrong one. If I were to put 2 here, it's going to give us 11. Because if we have 9, so these right here are our 9. So if we have 9 here, these ones right here are 9, right? We're going to circle 9, and then we have these ones left over, right? So we have 9 here and 2 here, and then all together we have 11. Nassif, do you see that?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. All right. Good job, guys, on the number talks today. Give yourself here. And I'm going to, like, figure out something here. Like, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do a scarecrow and an owl. Okay? So I'm counting. Now, I have 1, 2, 3 pumpkins, Do you see that? I have 3. I have 1 scarecrow. And actually, I'm going to do 2 owls. And I have 2 owls. Okay, now looking at this, my friends, I'm comparing these 3 things. I have 3 pumpkins, 1 scarecrow, and 2 owls. Which one do I have the most? Which one has the most? What do you think? Cupcake, which one has the most?
Pumpkin.
Very good. So the pumpkins have the most. This one has the biggest number. Do you see that, friends? We have 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 pumpkins. That one has the most. Dustin, which one has the least? Say that again, honey.
1.
Okay, the 1, which is representing what number? Representing what picture? Sorry.
The scarecrow.
The scarecrow. So the scarecrow has the least, right? And then the owl right here, that one's just right in the middle. Okay? So now I'm going to change it. I'm going to pull my pumpkins back. Actually, I'm going to leave my pumpkins. I'm going to change my numbers here. Because I'm going to go something like this and go whoop. Okay, and then I'm going to go here. Now, I need a helper. I need somebody to help me count these. Nasif, can you help me count these here? Use your pointer and count that. Count those pumpkins for me, Nasif.
Seven.
Good. And Queen, can you count the owls for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. Very good. Now, friends, put your pointer on the one that has the most. Well, I see 3 pointers. We have 9 people in class, so I should at least be seeing at least 9 pointers. Get your pointers out, friends. Follow directions. All right. If you pointed to the pumpkins, you are correct. There are more pumpkins than owls. Do you see that? So if we had to give, let's take a look at this. If we had to give one owl and 1 pumpkin, if we gave 1 pumpkin to each owl, I wonder how many we would have left. Let's see, that owl gets a pumpkin, and this owl gets a pumpkin, and this owl gets a pumpkin. How many do we have left? Who knows? How many do we have left? Elisa, do you know how many we have left? So we have 4 owls, and then our 4 owls got our 4 pumpkins. But how many pumpkins do we have left? What do you think, Elisa? How many do we have left? We have 3. Very good. So she said we have 3 up here. Now, what if I erase these, friends? And I am saying, we have the owl and the pumpkin and the owl and the pumpkin, right? Because the owls are going to eat the pumpkins because they're hungry because it's lunchtime. And then we have the owl and the pumpkin down here. What do you think? Are these equal? Are there the same amount of owls as there is to a pumpkin? What do you think, guys? Lift up your microphone and tell me if you think these are equal. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Very good. They are equal. So let's see. Put your pointer on whichever group has fewer. Which one has fewer? Well, how are we going to figure this out? We need to count, maybe. I see some people are just putting their pointer. Maybe they can see it. Okay, so let's count here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 over here. And then over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you guys are correct. There are fewer deer than foxes.